No longer used as a hammam, the baths were restored between 2013 and 2015 by the Aga Khan Trust for Culture and the Walled City of Lahore Authority, with much of the funding provided by the Government of Norway. The restoration project was given an award of merit by UNESCO in 2016 for the hammam's successful conservation, which returned it to its former prominence.
During the Mughal era, Persian-style hammams were introduced, although they never achieved the same levels of popularity in the Mughal Empire as they did in Persia. The Shahi Hammam was built in 1635 by Ilamuddin Ansari, governor of Lahore, as part of an endowment which included the Wazir Khan Mosque. The baths fell into disuse by the 18th century during the decline and fall of the Mughal Empire. From the early British period onwards, the building was used for different purposes as a primary school, dispensary, and recreational center, as well as an office for the local municipality. Additionally, shops were built into the building's northern, western, and southern facades. 8. Excavations as part of restoration works completed in 2015 revealed that substantial parts of the building had previously been demolished, likely to make way for the reconstruction of Delhi Gate building in the 1860s. The hammam consisted of 3 parts: the Jama Khana, dressing area, Nim Garm, warm baths, and Garm, hot baths. 10. The baths were gender segregated, and contained a reception chamber as well as a small prayer room. Architecture. In keeping with Persian tradition, the baths were illuminated by sunlight which filtered through several openings in the bath ceiling, which also aided ventilation. Most of the hammam's interior was preserved intact, and several Mughal-era frescoes have been preserved. As the facade had few windows, merchant shops were permitted to operate along the hammam's outer walls. The Aga Khan Trust for Culture, AKTC, with funding from the Government of Norway, began restoration works at the baths to conserve the space, restore the original layout of the building, and to uncover and preserve Mughal-era frescoes which decorated the building's walls. 13. Works were completed in 2015, and the improvements are said to have changed the surroundings dramatically. In 2016, UNESCO awarded the Shahi Hammam Restoration Project an Award of Merit for its high degree of technical proficiency and for returning the ornate Shahi Hammam to its former prominence. 15. Excavations have unearthed a water heating structure, drainage systems, and underfloor remains of its hypocausts.